What's up guys, thank you for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Big Plans by Why Don't We on the acoustic guitar. Now before we do anything, make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, and if this video helps you out, please like it as we go along. If you have any questions, please also drop us a comment below in the comments box and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Right then, let's take a look at this tutorial. So first of all, the main thing we need to know is that we've got a capo on the 2nd fret of the neck. If you don't have a capo, there is alternative ways of playing this, and I'll link that in the description below. So, capo across the 2nd fret. It's also all in standard tuning, so there's no fancy pants tuning, it's just all standard tuning. We're going to need to know a couple of bar chords. So, there's a few complex chords, so if you don't know your bar chords, you may struggle a little bit, but follow along and see if you can sort of master those as we go along. So, the first chord that we've got is our E flat minor, and we're going to play that up on the 6th fret. Okay, so we play this with our first finger barring all of the strings on fret number 6. And then we've got our second finger on fret number 7, string number 2. And then we've got our third finger on fret number 8, string number 4, and then we've got our pinky finger tucked underneath fret number 8, string number 3, and we're going to strum from the 5th string down, press nice and hard, make sure all those strings are ringing out. That's your first chord. We're not just going to strum it, we need to finger pick it because there's some finger picking action going on in the song. There's no plectrum for this. So the first bit goes. So what I'm doing, I'm plucking the 5th string with my thumb, I'm plucking the 4th string with my first finger, and then I'm plucking string number 2 with my 3rd finger, and then string number 3 with my 2nd finger. And then I'm moving. Another bar chord, we're going to a B flat minor. Still the first finger is barring fret number 6, but we're going to take all the other fingers off, and then we're going to put our 3rd finger, fret number 8, string number 5. Pinky finger tucked underneath that, fret number 8, string number 4. That's our B flat minor. And again, we're not going to just strum that, we've got to pluck it. So we've got slightly different plucking pattern this time. So I'm going 6th string with my thumb, I'm going 5th string with my first finger, and then I'm going 4th string with my 2nd finger, and 3rd string with my 3rd finger. And then position number 3, chord number 3 is our B major. So we're going to move that bar chord, first finger, up to the 7th fret. We're going to leave where our 3rd finger and pinky finger are, but we're going to shift it up a fret. So our 3rd finger will be on the fret number 9. And our 2nd finger is going to be on fret number 7, string number 3, and our pinky finger is going to be tucked underneath on fret number 9, string number 4. And we're going to pluck string number 6 with our thumb, string number 5 with our first finger, string number 3 with our 3rd finger, string number 4 with our 2nd finger. So all together, we have got this. That's the first 3 chords. And then for the 4th chord, it's the same position, same chord. Same plucking pattern as well. And then the 5th chord is the same chord as the 2nd chord, which is our B flat minor. So all of that together. And then we're going to move it down to an E shape. It's actually an F sharp major, but we're just playing an E major position because we've got our capo, remember? And that is same plucking. 6, 5, 3, 4. So let's try all that together. Now it's fairly tricky because they are bar chords and they're quite quick transitions, so just make sure that you're nailing the chords before you do anything else. Take your time with it, make sure that you're using your right fingers for the plucking as well, and just make sure those chords, those notes ring out. You don't want them to be muffled, you want them to be nice and clear. One thing I will add, if you wanted to put that little flick in that he does in the record, you're going to take your pinky finger off. This is in the B major position, and you're going to flick it on the 2nd string of the 9th fret. It's like a hammer on. If you can't do it, if you don't want to do it, don't worry about it. It just adds a bit of character to it, but you don't have to do it in the song. Those are your chords. Like I say, take your time with it, play along with the record. That's the main thing to do. If you can nail it alongside the record and the recording, you'll know where the transitions are, you'll know when the verse kicks in and the chorus kicks in and all those sort of things as well. So play along with the track and see how you get on. If you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe and give us a like below, and any comments that you've got about the video, please leave below as well. See you again.